What's going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about bisectors of triangles. So, if I have a triangle with a bisector, this angle right here got cut, and it's going to be the same right here, which means that we can create a relationship out of this smaller triangle and this bigger triangle. So, the smaller triangle is 16.5 over 11. Which means that this smaller section is 29 minus 11 to get us 18. Since the diagonal was 16, the diagonal needs to go on top. The bottom part of the triangle went on the bottom part of the fraction, so 18 goes over here. I am now going to cross multiply, and I get 297 equals 11p. Divide both sides by 11, I get 27 equals p. So, current rays are three rays that meet inside a triangle. So, three rays that meet inside the triangle. At the point of currency is where they all come together. A circumcenter is a point of currency if all three of these lines create perpendicular lines coming out of it. This is great for headquarters. So let's say we have a store in Tacoma, a store in Seattle, and a store in Spokane. We would draw in such a way that we create three smaller triangles. This distance here is the same as the distance here, which is the same as the distance here, which means that the distance from Spokane to Tacoma, the distance from Tacoma to Spokane, the distance from Spokane to Seattle, as long as everyone's traveling to the center, everyone will travel the same distance. Obviously, Seattle to Spokane could take the shortcut, and Seattle to Tacoma can make a shortcut. But if everyone met in the middle, this is the shortest distance for everyone. So, if we know that these are right angles, we know that from A to the center, it's going to be the same to B to the center. So 9. And we know that that will be 6 kind of idea. Which means that ND is going to be the same as NE, which is going to be the same as NF, which means that I can set these equal to each other. So 6x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 7. I get 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. Plug it back in, and then I would get 9 plus 7, or 16. So NF equals 16. Other than that, be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.